Anti-yeast recipe. If you're looking for an anti-yeast recipe, it's often associated with a candida diet, which aims to reduce the consumption of foods that can promote yeast growth in the body. Here's a simple anti-yeast recipe for a vegetable stir-fry that avoids common yeast-promoting ingredients. Anti-yeast vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 2 cups of assorted non-starchy vegetables, for example, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, cauliflower. 1 cup of leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale. 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil, avoid butter. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste, fresh lemon juice, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the vegetables. Wash and chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Keep the leafy greens separate from the other vegetables. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or wok, heat the olive or coconut oil over medium-high heat. 2. Add garlic and spices. Add the minced garlic to the hot oil and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add the ground turmeric and ground cumin. Stir for another 30 seconds to release the flavors. 3. Stir-fry the vegetables. Add the non-starchy vegetables, for example, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, cauliflower, to the skillet. Stir-fry for 3-4 minutes until they start to soften but remain crisp. You can add a splash of water if needed to prevent sticking. 4. Add leafy greens. Add the leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale, to the skillet and continue to stir-fry for an additional 1-2 minutes until they wilt and become tender. Season and serve. Season the stir-fry with salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top for added flavor if desired. 5. Serve hot. Transfer the vegetable stir-fry to a serving dish and enjoy it while it's hot. You can also sprinkle some nutritional yeast on top for a cheesy flavor if it's allowed in your anti-yeast diet. This recipe focuses on using non-starchy vegetables and anti-inflammatory spices while avoiding ingredients that can promote yeast growth, such as sugar, yeast, and refined carbohydrates. Be sure to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist if you're following a specific anti-yeast diet for health reasons, as individual dietary needs may vary.